Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows. Hopping in, let's go ahead and start it up. We've got our steering wheel controls. Also, this one does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Got navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 32,644 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.